This Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is a versatile and affordable kitchen appliance, perfect for a wide range of mixing tasks. Equipped with a 250-watt motor, this mixer effortlessly handles everything from whipping cream to mixing thick cookie dough. Whether you're a casual baker or someone who regularly prepares elaborate recipes, this hand mixer is designed to meet your needs. One of the first things you'll notice is the mixer's sleek and compact design. The white exterior gives it a clean, classic look, easily blends with any kitchen decor. Despite its lightweight build, the mixer feels sturdy and well-balanced in hand, offering both portability and durability. The key feature that sets this hand mixer apart is the snap-on storage case. This case conveniently holds all the attachments, including traditional beaters and a whisk, along with the power cord. This thoughtful design ensures that all components are kept together, preventing the common issue of lost or misplaced attachment. The storage case snaps securely onto the mixer, making it easy to store and reducing clutter in your kitchen. The built-in bowl rest is another practical feature that enhances the mixer's usability. This small notch allows you to rest the mixer on the edge of your mixing bowl without worrying about it tipping over or creating a mess. This is particularly useful when you need to pause mixing to add ingredients or check the consistency of your batter. At the heart of this mixer is a 250-watt peak power motor. While it may not be the most powerful motor available, it provides ample power for most everyday mixing tasks. The motor is capable of handling a variety of jobs, from light whisking to more demanding tasks like mixing heavy batters or doughs. The mixer offers 6 different speed settings, allowing you to choose the right speed for your specific task. Whether you need a gentle speed for folding in ingredients or a high speed for whipping egg whites, this mixer can accommodate. The QuickBurst button is an added bonus, providing an extra burst of power when needed, making it easier to tackle tougher mixing jobs. In terms of performance, the Hamilton Beach mixer consistently delivers. Traditional beaters and whisk are well-designed and durable, capable of handling a range of tasks from delicate batters to thick doughs. The attachments are also dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Ease of use is a standout feature of this mixer. The controls are straightforward with a simple speed dial that's easy to adjust even while the mixer is running. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended mixing sessions. The mixer's compact size makes it easy to maneuver, even in smaller mixing bowls. One of the highlights of this hand mixer is its user-friendly design. The attachments are easy to attach and detach, and the eject button ensures that you can remove them without getting your hands messy. The snap-on storage case keeps everything organized and within reach, adding to the overall convenience of the product. The bowl rest feature is another thoughtful addition that enhances the overall user experience. This simple design element allows you to rest the mixer on the edge of your bowl, freeing up your hands to add ingredients or take a break without worrying about drips or spills. It's a small detail, but one that makes a big difference in everyday use. Cleaning up after baking can often be a hassle, but the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer makes it as easy as possible. The attachments are dishwasher-safe, so you can simply toss them in with your other dishes. The mixer's smooth plastic surface can be wiped down with a damp cloth, ensuring there are no hard-to-reach crevices where food particles can get stuck. The snap-on storage case also plays a role in maintaining the mixer's longevity. By keeping all the attachments together, it reduces the chances of losing pieces or having to clean them separately after they've been sitting in a drawer collecting dust. The case snaps securely onto the mixer, ensuring that everything stays in place between uses. Affordability is another key advantage of the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer. Despite its budget-friendly price, it doesn't compromise on quality or features. This mixer offers excellent value for money, making it an ideal choice for both novice bakers and experienced home cooks. Some users have noted that the mixer can be a bit noisy at higher speeds, but this is a minor drawback considering the overall performance and value it offers. The snap-on storage case is particularly praised, as it solves the common problem of lost or misplaced attachments and keeps everything neatly organized. In conclusion, The Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer with whisk, traditional beaters, and snap-on storage case is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, versatile, and affordable hand mixer. It combines powerful performance with thoughtful design features, like the bowl rest and snap-on storage case, making it a standout in its category. Whether you're a casual baker or someone who regularly whips up batches of cookies, this mixer is equipped to handle all your mixing needs with ease. Its 250-watt motor, multiple speed settings, and durable attachments ensure that you can tackle any recipe with confidence. The added convenience of easy storage and straightforward cleaning makes it a practical and valuable addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.